Bitcoin. I heard about this almost all the time after the boom and crash a few years ago, 2018 to be exact. I thought, this is just another currency used by a new country. But it's not. I found out later that Bitcoin is a forefather of cryptocurrencies. And along with Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies emerged, like Ethereum and Ripple. Despite its rise and fall, Bitcoin seems to be here to stay. And people are now trying to get a sweet part of this cryptocurrency, especially with its high exchange rate. Today, the rate of one Bitcoin is more than 50,000 US dollars. But before we teach you how to invest in Bitcoin, we want to welcome you to the Crypto Hub, a channel that covers all issues, tips, and even news about cryptocurrency. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get new updates. Bitcoin investing for dummies. Before we dig into investing in Bitcoin, let's ask ourselves first, will these investments bring fortune? What are the benefits? What are the costs? How much will I earn? Will it give time for my family or other hobbies? If you are ready to invest in Bitcoin, here are some of the things you need to remember when you put your money in Bitcoin trading. 1. The Bitcoin wallet. Before you start making investments in Bitcoin, make sure you have a Bitcoin wallet that digitally stores your coin and keeps your trading activities. There are many other wallets available in the market called hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are small offline computers that control your funds. Two of the most popular Bitcoin wallets available today are Ledger and Trezor. Both of these wallets have more safety and security. 2. The exchange. You have now chosen your Bitcoin wallet. After you've made your account and have your wallet, you'll choose what exchange platform you will use in your trading activities. The most popular Bitcoin exchange platforms are Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, Bitflyer, and CoinMama. Do not choose cryptocurrency exchange platforms that have shady practices. These can get you in trouble, especially because scammers love these types of transactions. So before you dive deeper, choose what cryptocurrency exchange platform is right for you and what is legal. 3. Know their portfolio. Before you invest in Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency, look first at the credentials. Research and talk to friends or family members who do transactions with those coins. Check the business proposal of the cryptocurrency. The proposal, or white paper as they call it, shows the movement of the cryptocurrency. It also shows other information like potential investors, technology that will be used or is being used, the crypto's vision and mission, and financial details and other records. The cryptocurrency also must show its partnership ties with other companies, and a roadmap that shows achievements, when and where they started, and future plans. They also present the contributions the trader, buyers, and the people behind it make to society. If none of these were shown, that is the time to call them out and put a red flag on that crypto. 4. Bank account. If the exchange rate between Bitcoin and your local currency is at a high rate, you can't expect a huge amount of money, but it can support you and your family. To claim the money you have, you must have a bank account and connect it into your hardware wallet. This will act as an avenue for your transactions in the crypto market. Most payments take 4 days or more to be moved from the market to the investor. Once the money is deposited to the buyer, he or she can buy or sell their portion of the cryptocurrency. But you must be aware that using credit cards will prohibit you from depositing and selling your Bitcoin. 5. Afford to lose. Many traders fall into this trap. Please do not trade or invest and expect to have the same amount or more of what you invested returned to you. This is not common, and in fact the opposite usually happens. Investing more but ending up losing more can traumatize the buyer, and he or she may never do it again. This is not only exclusive to Bitcoin but to other crypto as well. You must know how much you will potentially lose so that you can invest in the crypto and be comfortable with losing or gaining a little. This is also one of the best ways to save your money. Before we continue on, if you have insights or want to help cryptocurrency beginners, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. 6. Long term. When you are investing in Bitcoin or any other crypto available, think ahead. What could be the benefits and disadvantages of investing in Bitcoin in the long run? Because cryptocurrency is a volatile currency, meaning it can be changed swiftly, you need to have a long-term plan when you are investing. You can change plans like doing day trading instead of night trading. Waiting for the right time for buying or selling, especially in times of crisis, is also a good thing. You can also use your money to invest in other things like a family business. 7. Place an order. Now that you are ready to invest in Bitcoin, it is time to make the purchase. The exchange rate of the Bitcoin will be the one you need to know for the buying of the coin. Remember that you must know your limits in buying Bitcoin itself, like investing for a gain or loss. This coin is not like an ordinary coin. Remember the exchange rate? 1 Bitcoin is almost 50,000 today, which is even lower now due to the crash in 2018. If you are lucky, some exchanges can offer you a coin for as low as $25. 8. Management. If you've already got your coin, you can use it in many things. You can use it online for transactions as they are in demand today, or hold it, or do day trading using your coins, meaning you can do the normal transactions like buying and selling your coins to others or in the market. If you've already got your money from the investments, manage them correctly like running a business. 9. Stock market. Wait, the stock market? How is cryptocurrency connected to the stock market? You are right that they are maybe not connected directly, but the exchange rate of Bitcoin can affect the stock market. When Business Insider reported that Bitcoin had a correlation with the S&P 500 movement last year, that was a sign that the two are related to each other. When the stock market collapses, so does crypto. When it rises, so does crypto. Both of them are volatile, and the economic climate can affect the two directly and abruptly. So it is important to look at the stock market, even as a Bitcoin investor. 10. Tax. When you are in Bitcoin trading, you are now on the watch list of tax agencies of the country you are in. In the US, Bitcoin is taxable and you are under the capital gains tax when you sell or buy one. So it is important to make a record of your investment activities and do not make an offshore account like those who do so in the Cayman Islands. This ends our tips for beginners in Bitcoin trading. What do you think of these tips? Are they helpful? Or maybe you have your own idea up your sleeve. As always, hit that like button, share and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, click the notification bell for daily updates. Thanks for watching.